Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a super quick and easy way to create a card with the new Rainbow Dreams release, so let's get started. First, I die cut the new Rainbow Stipple cover plate die from an A2 panel of white cardstock. I love all the detail in this die. Then I tape the Rainbow Accents die onto the A2 panel and die cut it. The rainbow is big, so I offset it to the right side of the panel. Next, I choose an ombre piece of pattern paper from the older Funfetti Birthday 6x6 paper pad and decide to use that as the backing for my rainbow. I rotate it around until I find the color pattern that I want. Then I apply adhesive to the back of the A2 panel and adhere it to the pattern paper. Once it's dry, I trim down the pattern paper and then adhere the A2 panel to a top folding card base. I love pink and coral with black and gold, so I die cut the accents from the Rainbow Accents die set from black glitter and gold metallic glitter cardstock. I also heat emboss a sentiment from Look for the Rainbow with gold embossing powder and die cut it with the coordinating dies. I adhere the two glitter accents with liquid glue and then add the sentiment with a mix of liquid glue for the two smaller pieces and foam mounting tape for the rainbow word. Finally, I add a few gold glitter hearts from the Rainbow Accent die set to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!